Python assignment operators. The Python assignment operators are used to assign values to variable. The first one we have is the equal to sign that is used to assign a value to a variable. Then we have others like the addition assignment, the subtraction assignment, the multiplication assignment, division assignment, modulo assignment or remainder assignment, and the exponent assignment. So let's see this in action. So the first one we just saw is the assignment, basically how you assign numbers to variable. So let's say we have a variable a and we want to assign, or let's use x, and let's assign a value to it, so a value of 10. That is it. You've just done the first one, the assigning operating. So this is how you assign a variable, a value to a variable. Now, subsequently, we have other assignment operator types that we want to look at. The first one is the addition assignment, subtraction assignment. So let's do this quickly. So we have print, and what do we want to print? We want to print a plus equal to, according to what we have here. So let's say we want to add 3 to it. Let's see. Oh, sorry, not a. Our variable is x. Oh, so we shouldn't do it like this. I think we should basically we should do the summation outside. So let me clear this. I was trying to be lazy. So now we have a variable called x, okay? Now, what do we want to do with x? So we only want to print out x here. For the first one, we want to do the addition assignment. So let's say we want to do something like x is equals to x plus 3. This is going to give us 10. This is correct. But you could do it simply by just doing this. So I'm going to make this a comment. Good, because it's the same thing. Instead, you can do this. X is equal to s plus equal to 3. Okay, so let's see what that gives us, and that's 13. So you see, it's the same thing. This is why it's called an assignment operator. So it saves you the stress of typing a lot. Now let's do the same thing for subtraction. So I'll comment everything out up there. So minus, which is the same thing as this, x minus 3. And let's see what we have. You see, we have 7. So it's still the same thing. Take note. So we could do this on and on and on for the others. So I'll comment this. I think the next one we have is okay, multiplication, division. So let's do that, multiplication and division. So for multiplication, I'll just delete all this. It's times, which is same as this, x. And what do we have? We have 30. That is, x is equals to x times 3, 30. Also for division, you do the same thing. And also for remainder or modulo, we also do the same thing. I'll clear the output. 1, so 10 divided by 3 is 1. Sorry, modulo 3 is 1. So that means 3 will go into 10 3 times, remainder 1. Then last but not the least, we have the power symbol. So raised to power that is 10 raised to power 3. And let's see that what that gives us. 1000. So that is 10 times 10 times 10. So a quick recap. This is your basic assignment operator. Then you have your addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, division assignment, modular assignment, and power assignment. So that is it on the assignment operators in Python. I would see you in the next one.